barbecue fam? Today we're doing the 1 year review on the Char Griller 980. Oh hell yeah. So the 980 is great from burgers to brisket, chicken thighs to beer can chicken, pork steaks to pork butt for pulled pork. Oh hell yeah. This thing does it all. You can even do salmon, bacon, mac and cheese, anything you want. There's tons of space in this guy. Now the size of this pit, you can do so much with it. You can cook from 200 degrees up to 700 degrees within minutes too. I try to keep it lower. And that 700 degree temp, I did it once or twice. The smoke, holy hell. But anyway, great cooker, holds temps very well. The controller though, I've always had a difference between an internal probe compared to the onboard. With a full hopper of wood lump, you're gonna get about 8 hours at 275. Now, I just started recently using briquettes. Way longer. You're gonna get about 12 hours with briquettes in there at 275. So if you wanna do low and slows, that's the way to go. Throw in a couple chunks of wood. I got lots of mods I've done to this guy. One thing I would like is bigger wheels on it. The front casters, definitely, most of us are backyard barbecuers. And having a concrete slab, not all of us have. So if you're trying to wheel this around your yard, it's 251 pounds, folks. But it's a beast, and you can fit so much food on it. So, in my opinion, great value. I've been using it over a year. Hundreds of cooks on this. Couple of tips on the 980. When you light it, don't forget to pull out this guy. It's happened a couple times now. At $5.99, it was an alright price. Now it's $7.49, but the cost of everything, that's just the way it goes. Still a good value. I'm over a year, no problems this entire time. I once, just recently, and that's why I remember to do a 1 year review, had an ERF code, which F stands for fan. So when you clean out your hopper, sometimes debris can fall into the fan. I shook that around. You can suck it out with a shop vac, whatever you want to do. Anyway, it clanked around and a couple chunks spit out. Been good ever since. That's the only problem I've ever had with the Char Griller 980. I would suggest getting that Green Mountain Grill's Jim Bowie expansion rack and get rid of this guy here. That really, you can put some buns up there for burgers or whatever, warm them up, but it's just a warming rack. It's small. I did a mod to it so you can actually pull it out into the middle, cook ribs on top of it, so you have a grease drip pan underneath. Clean up. Oh, and cleanup's not too bad in this guy. Pull your grates out. You pull off that heat deflector, and then you pull out that big chimney, whatever the hell it's called. So you pull out that whole thing, and then you can shop vac out whatever. Use a plastic scraper, like a putty scraper, scrape everything down in. There's a grease catch at the bottom. Pull that cup out, dump it, rinse it, ready to go for your next cook. This has been a fun pit this past year, and I would like to do a couple more mods to it. I do have one. I have to add this fire bridge from Tiger McCool Barbecue Company. Oh hell yeah, thank you Anthony. Installing that, and you see it's much higher to put the fire cup. So they suggest tumbleweeds in there, they don't fit. But once you stuff this guy in there, you can put these all natural, awesome fire cups in there. Go get yourself some. These burn super good and way longer than any other fire starter I've ever used. So guys, I will catch you on the next cook.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Then you pull out that big chimney, whatever the hell it's called. So you pull out that spot, what is it? It's not a heat diffuser, no. Whatever. Then you pull out that big guy there. That, what is it called? I don't know.